Oh, Mother Nature, this is what I crave for. This is what every nature lover craves for, these birds, trees, leaves, grass, and creatures. Neither am I sitting beside any mountain, nor am I at any hill station. It's just a simple grass and tree area which led me to run with those offerings of yours. Oh, Mother Nature, these uncountable birds here feel the way I feel like being fully devoted to you. I can't thank you enough for every offering and everything you have given to the humans. I understand us humans sometimes behave cruelly, but you forgive us because you know that cycle. Someone creates, someone offers, someone uses, and then someone reuses, then the last stage arrives. Thanks a lot for this great message and offering. Love, nature.